My name's Kurt Ladapow. We've got a 2015 landmark Newport, and we are a member and the chapter leaders for the Nevada chapter of the Heartland Owners Club.
I'm Terry Lewis. I have a 2017 Bighorn 3160 fifth wheel, and I'm part of the Heartland Owners Group.
Hi, my name is Don Smith. I'm part of the Heartland Owners Group, and we have a 2014 landmark that we truly enjoy.
The Heartland Owners Club is made for the owners of Heartland products to come together, socialize, travel together, camp together, share stories.
We live in Las Vegas. There's not a lot of camping and RVing around Las Vegas itself. Being in the Owners Club and going to the rallies, we've gone all over the country.
Everybody here is like family.
That's 5 gallons of big tanks.
Sitting around the fire ring is like camping used to be, in comfort and in luxury.
It's a great group of people with common interests in coaches that they've purchased. And I think it's a chance to get together and kind of compare notes. And it's just good fun. Cornhole today, big taco fest tomorrow night. So it's just a chance to get out and have fun.
Some folks will get into RVing and not have a social group whatsoever, so they'll go out and not have a good time because they don't know anybody.
It's a great experience, and it's a great way to get to know people. Get to learn a lot about your RV because everyone's always willing to share, and just the places to go and the camaraderie of the groups.
So as we bring new members in and as we all get together, we're like a big family.